Mary Ladd, and this is my oral presentation for E&C 1101 Summer 1. It's a descriptive essay, How to Make Baked Crab Stuffed Shrimp. I'm not a professional chef. I have always been willing to learn from chefs when I've had the privilege of working with them. One of the most important lessons that I have been taught from every chef is not every recipe can be exact every time. So taste your dish before you serve it. When I make baked crab stuffed shrimp, I use judgment on exact measurements, but you can follow my recipe and get amazing results. The first step that you should do when you enter a kitchen is wash your hands for 60 seconds in warm water. We do not want to get anybody sick. After you wash your hands, put gloves on just to be safe. You will be required to have at least 2 eggs, 2 cups of breadcrumbs. I recommend a mixture of Ritz crumbles and traditional breadcrumbs, 2 cups of jumbo lump crab meat, 1 cup of butter, 3 celery stalks, and half a red onion, 1 pound of 21 to 25 pound shrimp, salt and pepper. The utensils that I recommend using are a saute pan, cutting board, vegetable knife, broiling pan or cookie sheet, sheet pan, souffle pan, and a spatula. It is time to start preparing. The first step to do is turn the oven to broil. Next, we're going to chop the red onions and celery as fine as possible. Melt the butter in a saute pan on medium heat and add the onions and celery. Then we can mix the breadcrumbs and eggs. There is no need to worry about the texture of our mixture because we have not added all of the ingredients yet. All the shrimp should have been cleaned. You're going to cut halfway into the shrimp up to the head. This is so that it will be easier to stuff them later. Lay all the shrimp flat on the sheet pan. This should take about 5 minutes. And this time our vegetables should have cooked. Add a little bit of salt and pepper at your discretion. Half a teaspoon of each is what I use to the vegetables. It is time to add our butter sauteed vegetables and jumbo lump crab meat to the breadcrumb mixture. Make sure to taste the stuffing. If you feel a certain spice or ingredients can make the stuffing a little bit more exciting, go ahead and add it. The crab stuffing should be thick enough to hold its form. Make little balls of crab stuffing as big as your shrimp. Roll the crab stuffing so that it is in the shrimp until you are out of shrimp or stuffing. All the leftovers can be used to make another dish later on. There is no need to waste food. If you want to make baked crab stuffed shrimp as an appetizer, drizzle the sheet pan with olive oil and load it into the oven. Let cook for 7 to 11 minutes. If you would like to serve the shrimp as an entree, put 6 shrimp in a souffle dish with seafood broth and butter. Let cook for 8 to 13 minutes. A good way to tell when the shrimp are finished is when they change color. After you remove the shrimp from the oven, transfer them to serving pans, garnish, and serve. Your dish could look something like this.